I just try to tape Suzette, Moose, Hog, and they're all three super black. A Great Dane, she's the one down over there, and then Moose, and then Hog. Now, if you can get that, I can't, you know, stick the light overhead, and then they'll run away because they don't like it that bright. No idea. It's my 3-time-a-week vacuum person because I'm not allowed to do it. But someday I will. Someday I'm going to go vacuum up the whole street. Dang animals. You guys, give me a break. I'm serious. It's scary. They turn their heads. They're celebrities. inCOGniTO as a Newfoundland Great Dane and a wild, huge cat. Yeah, yeah. Main Coon, he's just huge. Hey, hey guys. Hey, Santa. Never mind, I put him for his sleep. I tried. And they're all snoring. Goodbye.